In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Smartsheet dashboard public. If you're looking to make your dashboard easily accessible to anyone without requiring them to log in, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure your dashboard can be shared smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to open the Smartsheet dashboard that you're ready to make public. Make sure you've opened the correct one, as you wouldn't want to accidentally expose any sensitive information or the wrong dashboard to the general public. Once you've confirmed you're in the right spot, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you should see the menu option. Click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Publish. This action will open up the Publish dialog that lays the groundwork for making your dashboard viewable to whoever you choose, without needing a login. Within the Publish dialog, you'll need to toggle the publishing option to On. It's crucial to ensure this is switched correctly, as it is the gateway to setting your dashboard up for public viewing. After switching it on, it's time to decide on your access control preferences. In this scenario, you'll want to choose the option labeled Available to anyone with the link. By choosing this, you're setting the access level to allow any and everyone with the link to view the dashboard, no login required. This makes sharing straightforward and hassle-free, especially for viewers who aren't using Smartsheet daily but need access to the information you're presenting. Once you've set the access controls, the final step is about sharing your dashboard. At this stage, a link or iframe code will be generated for you. You can copy this link or iframe code depending on how you prefer to share the dashboard. If you want to distribute it quickly, simply paste the link into an email or a messaging application and send it to whoever needs it. Alternatively, if you're embedding the dashboard into a website or a blog, copying the iframe code and placing it into the HTML source of your page will seamlessly integrate your dashboard content for viewers to access directly from your site. And there you have it. Your Smartsheet dashboard is now public for anyone with the link. Remember, this process allows for a streamlined way of distributing your dashboard without the barrier of logins, making it a great option for public information sharing. With these steps, you should be well equipped to make your Smartsheet dashboards both accessible and effective. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips and guides.